Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how to download and install Black Myth Wukong game in your PC or laptop. So first just open your Google search box and just type the Black Myth Wukong and just search for it and just scroll down and you will see the Steam website. So here you will see the Steam website on the second number. So you can just open this. So once it was open, now here you need to just little scroll down and you will see the option to add to cart. So there is two version of this game, pre-purchase and also the deluxe edition. So you can download these two and you can click on the add to cart and then it will add to your cart and then you can make a purchase to download this game. So you have to just click on this add to cart option and then you can click on the view my card. So when you click on that, it will redirect to you where you can click on the continue to payment and just pay the amount and just download into your PC. So guys, this is how you can download this game into your PC. So I hope guys you understand. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.